Good morning, and thank you for tuning in to your Wallops weather briefing for Friday, September 22nd. We're seeing some cloudy to mostly cloudy skies out there, and we do anticipate that to continue for much of the day. But then we will see those skies start to clear out as we go into this weekend, making for an absolutely beautiful Saturday and Sunday. Taking a look at our conditions from yesterday, we did see a rather warm day across the mid-Atlantic region for this time of year. The warmest location was 90 degrees at Richmond. Other locations across the area did see temperatures in the mid to upper 80s. Lows this morning were rather mild across the area as well, with most locations reporting the mid to upper 60s. DC did struggle to even reach below 70 degrees with a low of 70. As of 9 a.m., we are seeing temperatures in the low to mid 70s across the entire region under mostly cloudy to mostly sunny skies, as areas across the Tidewater are experiencing much less cloud cover than we are here. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, we are continuing to see fairly light winds in the upper levels this morning. Winds are northwesterly from about 15 to 25 knots from the surface up to 6,000 feet, peaking out between that 6,000 and 12,000 foot level at around 25 knots. We are seeing winds shift more northeasterly above that 6,000 foot level. And then as we get above 16,000 feet, winds are weakening to around 15 knots and from the north to northeast. We are seeing a freezing level this morning around 14,000 feet. Taking a look at our surface analysis from this morning, we see that remnant low from what used to be Tropical Storm Jose. It is now just a post-tropical cyclone now. We are seeing a little bit of a lobe of energy rotating around that low, and that is what's giving us some ample cloud cover here this morning. There is also a little bit of light rain just off the coast, but we don't anticipate that rain to impact the Wallops region, as we're just going to be seeing some mostly cloudy skies throughout the remainder of the day. And we do have high pressure otherwise dominant across the eastern half of the United States, and that is going to contribute to giving us some very beautiful conditions as we go into this weekend. Taking a look at our radar satellite loop here, you can see that the Delmarva is experiencing abundant cloud cover. You can also see that area of rain just off the coast. According to this map, it looks like there is some returns over our area, but that is just not reaching the ground due to some dry air in the mid-levels. So we do not anticipate any rain here today, just continuing to see that cloud cover associated with the little bit of energy rotating around what used to be Jose. Winds are northwesterly across the area, around 5 to 10 knots at this time, and we are still seeing temperatures in the low 70s as of 10 a.m. Taking a look at our forecast charts here, that low associated with Jose is going to continue to weaken as we go through the weekend. It is going to be lingering just about where it is right now, and as it continues to weaken, and then eventually dissipating in a few days. High pressure is going to continue to remain dominant as we go into the weekend across the area, and we're going to continue to see mostly cloudy skies as we go into tonight and possibly even into tomorrow morning, and then we should see those clouds become more partly cloudy as we go into tomorrow afternoon, as that energy from that low really begins to weaken and that low itself begins to dissipate and move a little bit farther east away from the United States. Saturday afternoon and into Sunday is looking like a beautiful day as high pressure builds stronger across the northeast and gives us some good subsidence for clearing skies and some drier air filtering in. We do see Hurricane Maria there starting to move up the eastern seaboard, but it does look like it is going to be pretty much mirroring the track that Jose took, passing safely between the Delmarva and Bermuda, but we will be talking about that in a little bit. Otherwise, you can see the high pressure really building into the northeast, and that is going to give us a nice, more northerly flow, giving us some good subsidence for clear skies and some drier air moving into the area. Taking a look at our weather hazards for today, we're going to be green across the board, just seeing cloudy to mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures are going to peak out around 80 or 81 degrees today. We are going to see winds max out around 7 to 12 knots early this afternoon from the northwest, and then those northwesterly winds are going to weaken to tonight to around 3 to 8 knots. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, we're going to continue to see that broken deck near 15,000 feet as well as a few clouds near the 6,000 foot level, and we are seeing a broken to overcast deck near the 20,000 foot level this morning. And that's going to continue as we go through the afternoon. We will see that level near 20,000 feet kind of scour out a bit as we go into the afternoon, but we're going to continue to see an overcast cirrus deck near the 25,000 foot level as we go into this evening. As we go into tonight, we're going to see those mid-level clouds really clear out, just seeing still a broken cirrus deck as we go into tomorrow morning, and a few clouds near the 5,000 foot level. And we are continuing to see tides fairly high, around 1 to 1.5 feet above normal. For our weekend, we're going to be looking at a very nice weekend. Clouds will be lingering a little bit in the area tomorrow, but we should see more sunshine than we are seeing today for our Saturday, with a high of 82 expected across the region. For Saturday night, we're going to be looking at partly cloudy skies with a mild low of 66. And Sunday is shaping up to be a very beautiful day under partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies with a high again of 82 degrees expected. Taking a very quick look at Hurricane Maria here. This is the latest track that we have, and it does look like it is going to continue to move safely between the mid-Atlantic coast and Bermuda. It is going to be passing closest to our area in the Wednesday to possibly early Thursday time frame, and we could be seeing an uptick in cloudiness during that time frame. Can't rule out some very light isolated shower activity on Wednesday, as well as that moves east of the area, but for the most part it's going to be very light and scattered rain if we do get any at all. This is the model guidance we have for Hurricane Maria, and just about all the models have it passing right in the middle between here and Bermuda. There is one model that has been quite an outlier in the past few days, and that is we're not really anticipating that to happen, so it is looking like we are going to be in the clear both here and at Bermuda from Maria. Going back to our 7-day here, we are going to be looking at a unseasonably warm few days here. We have temperatures in the lower to mid 80s through the weekend, and Monday we will start to see those temperatures knock down a bit with an increase in cloud cover, with a high of 81 degrees as we get a bit more onshore flow for our Monday. We'll also see those morning lows not be able to get down as much as we get a little bit more moisture moving into the area. For Tuesday and Wednesday, we are going to be looking at mostly cloudy to perhaps cloudy skies as Hurricane Maria passes well to the east of the area, giving us some abundant upper level cloudiness, and then we could see a very slight chance of some light scattered showers for Wednesday as well. And then on Thursday, it looks like we're going to continue to see cloudy to mostly cloudy skies as Hurricane Maria continues to depart away from the area. But like I said, we're not expecting really any effects from that other than some more abundant cloud cover. Well, that'll do it for today's weather briefing. We'll be back on Monday at 8:15 a.m. for your daily operations briefing and at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing. Have a great day.